This week's flag is the Netherlands. The country is home to the International Criminal Court in The Hague, which is the administrative capital city of the Netherlands. And the ICC has issued an arrest warrant for Vladimir Putin and his children's commissioner, Maria Belova. Both are accused of breaking international law and of committing war crimes during the invasion of Ukraine. The exact crimes they are found to be guilty of is the illegal deportation of population across international borders. In this case, minors. So there has been some evidence and has been found that Vladimir Putin has given his approval for school children in Ukraine to be bused to Russia on a school trip. But these trips were never disclosed to parents. Parents were never made aware. The children never gave the consent, and as a result of that, they've been forcibly removed from their home country and their families during the war. And that is blatant abuse of human rights, a blatant abuse of international law. That means that he's technically is a wanted man. And she's a wanted lady. However, they can only be arrested by countries that recognise the International Criminal Court. Countries that recognise the International Criminal Court are there's 123 of them, and they signed in 19. So I need to get the exact number there. 1998. Sorry, they signed the Rome Statute, which was officially adopted in 2002. That means there's 123 countries where neither of these people can set foot, and if they do, they will be arrested upon arrival. Russia isn't a signatory of the Rome Statute, which means that they can move freely within Russia without getting into trouble, and there's a high chance that they will not be visiting countries that signed the Rome Statute because they will fear deportation to The Hague, where there could be trial for war crime. Now, it doesn't mean they'll never get arrested. In the past, Slobodan Milosevic, which was the military leader of Yugoslavia during the Balkan War in the 1990s, he was the leader. He was also convicted of war crimes. He wasn't arrested initially, but a few years later, he was handed over to the ICC by the Bosnian government, and he's now in prison in The Hague. So it's not to say Vladimir Putin will not be arrested now. He won't be arrested soon. But we can never say he will never get arrested for the war crimes he's committed in Ukraine. The ICC is a huge part of the A-level specification because of the A-level spec we learn about human rights and development. And in this case here, we've got a significant abuse of human rights law. So yeah, just something that is worth clarifying as to what's happened, why it's happened, and what the implications of the rulings are. But that is why the Netherlands is my flag of the week.